my sweet friends, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. With me for a little bit is Louie, and look how handsome he is looking. We went to the spa. And today I have a TEMU haul for us. This video is sponsored by TEMU, and they are offering you a $20 coupon regardless if you are new or an old customer. Now you can't pair this coupon with any other coupons, but here is a $20 discount code. To use this $20 coupon, just put in this code when you're checking out, and this code belongs to DIY with Nadia so that TEMU knows that you came to them through me. I also wanted to mention that TEMU has an app, and let me tell you, I use it so much because I can use it watching TV, or if my husband and I are on a long drive, I can use it while he's driving. But anyway, you guys, it's a very, very convenient app, and if you don't have one, I do recommend that you download it. And now we are ready to get started and see everything that I got. I will put the prices on the screen as I'm going through the items, and there's also going to be links to everything that I'm going to show you in the description box below so that you can click it and go shopping right away. Before we get started with the haul, yes, I do acknowledge that I look like a librarian or a very mean school teacher. What do you guys think? Look at all of this. Can't get any higher than this in the neckline. Everything I'm about to show you has been packaged in plastic, but I did take a lot of it off because otherwise it would distract us from actually looking at the items because it's that kind of loud plastic, but it is all sealed and nicely shipped out to you, my friends. The first thing I got was a set of deco mesh. They come in a set of 4. This is the Christmas version, but of course you can use the red one for Valentine's. The first thing I got was 4 rolls of deco mesh. This is a set, a Christmas set, but you can definitely use, especially the red ones, maybe for Valentine's. They're all 10 inches in width and 10 yards in length. You can tell that because the diameter of the spool is the little thin one, so you know you have 10 yards in each roll. I think this is a great deal. Next is one of my favorite ribbon that I like to use, and that is the mesh ribbon. These are actually made to decorate flower bouquets in Europe mostly, but we use them in our wreaths, and I think it's a genius idea. I also got this little guy, and the color on him is kind of like this light mint seafoam kind of color that I can use in coastal wreaths. So I got a smaller size of this, but when you're buying these, please pay attention to the length and the size of these. Obviously the red one is big, and I got this one in a big roll because I can use it for Christmas, 4th of July, for Valentine's, obviously for many holidays. So I wanted a bigger roll of this red. And by the way, this is such a perfect red. Red is one of those colors that are sometimes kind of tricky. This one is stunning. It's a perfect red, my friends. It's really beautiful. And then this cutie is also a gorgeous mesh. Let me just open it real quick for you. So beautiful. Speaking of ribbon, I picked up a set of these Christmas ones. Now, whenever you get ribbon from TEMU, they come like this. They're 5 yards in length each. 2.5 inches is the ones I usually buy, and the quality is pretty good. It is nice ribbon. It is wired. Of course it's wired. I wouldn't be buying it if it wasn't wired, but I did get this set, and then I had to get this one because I'm a girl at heart. Look at this print. I'm serious, you guys. Look at this stunner. And they also had it on, I think, like on a blue or a teal color. It was pretty too, but I wanted pink. I wanted this stunning pink elegant ribbon because it spoke to me, and I really needed to get it. So I did get 1 roll of this gorgeousness, and then I got 1 more roll because I'm getting into this print. All I got to say is, if you know, you know what my new obsession is. And so I thought a ribbon that would match it would be perfect. Once again, wire 2.5 inches, beautiful, beautiful quality ribbon. Next, I picked up a set of 100 chenille stems or pipe cleaners, whatever you would like to call them. And I thought the price was pretty fair. They look like they are really nice quality pipe cleaners that I get anywhere else. Just standard white, very sturdy pipe cleaners. When it comes to the 8-inch round signs, they come packaged like this. There's a rubber band holding the sign in place. It's in a little cardboard holder. When you take it out, there is a little plastic on it. Take that off. Since we have the sign out, let's take a look at our gorgeous gingerbread man. How adorable is he? All of these round little signs are 8 inches in diameter. They're like 7.75 or something like that. They're almost 8. They are usually measured in the metric system, so that's why they're off just a tiny bit from the inches. We usually just call this an 8-inch sign. Then I got a beautiful Hello Autumn one, and I like that the signs that are starting to come right now have this little kind of lip on there, so it's not a sharp edge. It's a smooth end, and it's really, really nice. Our next one, it says welcome. Very beautiful. Then I got something from Valentine's, my friends. Now I can see this working together somehow because of the roses on top, maybe, possibly, I don't know. But it's a little dessert area, and it is really, really romantic, kind of vintagey Victorian looking. Very, very beautiful. The next sign I got is actually a black background Hello Easter sign. Now I know this may scare some of you. You're like, Nadia, why are you using black for Easter? Well, that's because we can definitely use orange and white deco mesh. The wreath I have in mind for the sign is going to be stunning because the sign is the small portion of this wreath. The deco mesh is going to be that decor, and it's going to bring it out. For the rectangular signs, they come 8 inches by 12, also with a little rubber band. We take it out. This one seems to be a little bit on the wobbly side, but it is still beautiful, and it has the plastic on it and says welcome to my home. By the way, it kind of matches with this ribbon even more than the other sign. And then the last one, just look at this. Hello. Do you see this working together? I think he is adorable. Look at this little bunny in a basket. So sweet. I'm so excited I got this one. I cannot wait to make a wreath with that one. The next thing I got is going to jingle a little bit. Let me take 2 of them out. These cuties come in a set of 12, so 6 of the red ones and 6 of the white ones. My Christmas tree this year is going to be white and red, and I thought it would be so cute to add these on the tree. I thought they were so adorable. So I did get a set of them, and I'm telling you, they're so pretty. So set of 12 little jingle bells. Speaking of Christmas, I got some picks. Let me take one out. This is a full set. It was just in a very loud plastic bag, so I put them in this little box. But this is what it is. Look at this. They're very beautiful, and I thought for all of these, I thought the price was so fair. They're beautiful, amazing quality, and look at that glitter on there. It is so pretty. So beautiful. I thought it was an amazing deal for the picks. The next thing I got was actually a mailbox cover. I've never had one before because my home literally had a slot for mail that went straight into my house. So we didn't have like a mailbox. Look how gorgeous this is. And I was like, it's not going to look this beautiful in person. And it does. It looks absolutely stunning. The print on it is beautiful. Here you can actually tell this is the little hole for the red flag. It does come with little magnets. There's a full magnet like this on one side, so it's a nice long one. There's another magnet. And of course, there are 2 on this side, and you just swing it over the mailbox. I'm very excited about this because this is my first mailbox cover that I'm going to put on my mailbox. Now we're going to move on to some pillow covers. I got this adorable one for Valentine's. I thought it would be a cute accent pillow, maybe for my office, maybe in the living room, but I was looking at it and I was like, if you have a little girl's room, this would look adorable. Little bows throughout on this pillowcase. I have a tip for you when buying these. I like to buy my pillows just a little bit bigger. So if this is an 18-inch pillowcase, I like to buy my pillows that are 19, even possibly 20, if they're not too bulky, because when you put the pillowcase on, then it's going to look a lot fuller. I got a set of 4 for Valentine's. Look how stunning these are. And you could probably use these for spring also, but I thought these were beautiful. This one says Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. And then the last one is also stunning. It's a truck. And look at the quality of it. Look how it's printed. It's absolutely beautiful. The roses on top. How stunning are those? And I got another set for Christmas. Now these are more of, I don't want to say burlap, but that tougher material. Look how strong these are. So there's an accent one that's just red and white. And as I said, my Christmas is red and white, so that'll be perfect. And then this one is upside down. So holly jolly, let it snow. And then the last one is Merry Christmas with a little Christmas tree. I thought it was very simple, very clean, and beautiful. But as I said, just look at this fabric. This is more of that kind of strong fabric, and the Valentine pillows are more of like, I don't want to say satin, but silky feel, also very beautiful. Next, we have stickers. Now, I know you're like, Nadia, stickers, really? Look, I am a DIYer at heart. When I saw these, for some reason in my head, I saw a little box or a little vase that I can put these on, and of course, painted probably white or, you know, maybe like a rustic color that you think would work best with these. Now, this one's more orangey, this one's more purpley, but you could definitely do some DIYs with these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I definitely am excited about getting these. Now we're going to get started on my favorite thing to get on TEMU, except for clothes, and that is florals. Starting with this little guy, there's 50 mini little flower heads in here. You can definitely use these in wreaths where you need to fill in that center. Maybe your ribbon is kind of opened up wider and you just need to cover that pipe cleaner. You can definitely use these, or in other projects. They are just so elegant, so pretty, and of course they come in different color combos and things like that, but I decided to get these like springy flowers that are very, I don't know, there's pinks, light greens. They're just very elegant and beautiful, and I don't know, I'll have fun with them one of these days. A set of these guys. Look at this. This is 2 different bouquets that came in one set. Look at these stunners. There are 5 stems, so it would be 10 stems all together. This is just one flower. Look how big this is. I'm telling you, my friends, this is one of the best places to buy florals. Far and on, I'm telling you, you can definitely get some amazing deals on florals on TEMU. I mean, I got some stunners. This next one came as a single bouquet, but look at the color. Just look at this color, and it does come with smaller ones. I opened it up just a little bit. These flowers are just unbelievably stunning, and they have beautiful leaves that come with them. I just think they're gorgeous. That's all I'm saying. When I was a little girl, I love tulips, and my bedding was this maroon kind of fabric with ivory tulips all over it. To this day, I remember, and my mom does, everyone does. I loved tulips so much. But anyway, you guys, so these guys, just look at them. I'm just asking you to look at them. They are as pretty to look at as they are to touch. They're that kind of soft, rubbery kind of tulips. Oh my goodness, these are going on my kitchen table. As soon as spring hits, they're going to be in a little beautiful vase. They are so elegant. They are so stunning. I can't even describe it. This is my favorite set today, even though it's very hard to compare to the other ones. But, you know, I'm more partial to the tulips because I have a lot of these already. I'm telling you, I ordered all of these on TEMU. But these tulips stole my heart. As much as I love my tulips, we're not going to be rushing for spring to come because we have a lot of Christmas DIYs or wreaths to make, and we're going to make the best of it and have beautiful, beautiful holiday. As you're shopping on TEMU, don't forget to use this code right here to get your $20 off. What this code does is tells TEMU, hey, I watched Nadia's video and I want to get her discount, so that TEMU knows that you are part of the Nadia family. At this point, I think you all know how much you mean to me. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We are an amazing and fun crafting community around here, and we make friends and we're nice to each other. I absolutely appreciate every single one of you for being here with me today, spending some time. I hope you enjoyed this video, by the way. If you did, don't forget to like and give me a thumbs up. With that said, happy shopping, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.